Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy us. Introducing today, I'm reviewing the Rado Integral Automatic R20692102, a stylish Swiss watch that perfectly reflects the distinctive character of the Rado brand. At first glance, the model stands out with its minimalist yet highly recognizable design. The case is made of steel and is quite compact at just 30 millimeters, which makes the watch sit neatly on the wrist and suits those who prefer more understated sizes. The bracelet deserves special attention. It's crafted from steel with ceramic inserts. It looks premium, feels great on the wrist, and importantly, the ceramic maintains its appearance well over time. The crystal is, of course, sapphire, scratch-resistant, so you don't have to worry about everyday wear. Inside is an automatic mechanical movement, a classic choice for those who appreciate living watches. The functionality is clean and simple: hours, minutes, and date, nothing unnecessary. The dial is white, in excellent condition, with neat silver tone hands. Legibility is good, and the overall look is very clean and elegant. Water resistance is basic, splash protection, so it's more suited for careful daily wear rather than active use. Overall, the Rado Integral Automatic is a great option for those looking for a Swiss watch with character. Restrained, stylish, and built with quality materials and mechanics. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Have a great day and happy shopping. Best wishes, Citadel Watch.